Hey everyone, welcome back to our C++ series. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of operators in C++. Let's get started. First, what are operators? In C++, operators are special symbols that perform operations on variables and values, called operands. For example, in the expression a plus b, a and b are operands, and plus is the operator that adds them. C++ has several types of operators: arithmetic, assignment, comparison, logical, unary, and more, which we'll explore one by one. Let's begin with arithmetic operators, which perform basic mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. Open up Visual Studio Code, and let's look at our first code example in the main function. Here, we declare two integers, int a equals 10, b equals 30. Then, we print their sum with cout, addition, a plus b, endl, which outputs addition, 40. Next, cout, subtraction, a, b, endl, subtracts b from a, giving negative 20. The line cout, multiplication, a asterisk b endl, multiplies them, outputting 300. For division, cout, division a, b endl, divides a by b, resulting in 0, because integer division truncates decimals. Finally, cout modulus, a percent b endl, gives the remainder of a divided by b, which is 10. Below, we show a plus b to illustrate that a and b are operands, and plus is the operator. Just like a dotterisk, b uses asterisk as the operator. Next, let's talk about assignment operators, which assign values to variables. We've created a separate file called assignmentoperators.cpp. We start with int a equals 10, declaring an integer a and setting it to 10. Next, cout, initial value of a, ender, prints initial value of a, 10 to the console. Then a plus is equal to 5, adds 5 to a, making it 15, as its equivalent to a is equals to a plus 5. We print this with cout after a plus is equal to 5, value of a, endl, showing 15. The line a minus is equals to 5, subtracts 5 from a, bringing it back to 10, and cout, after a minus is equals to 5, value of a, endl, confirms this. Next, a asterisk is equals to 4, multiplies a by 4, so 10 asterisk 4 equals 40, and we print after a asterisk is equals to 4, value of a, 40. Then, a divide is equals to 2, divides a by 2, giving 40 divided by 2 equals 20, output as, after a divide is equals to 2, value of a, 20. Finally, a mod is equals to 3, computes the remainder of 20 divided by 3, which is 2, and we print after a mod is equals to, value of a, 2. These compound assignment operators make coding concise and powerful. In its main function, we start with int a equals 64, setting a to 64, and print it with cout. Initial value of a, and l. Now, we explore shift operators, a special type of assignment operator. The left shift operator, a equals 4, shifts a's bits 4 positions to the left, effectively multiplying a by 2 circumflex 4, 1, 6. So 64 times 16 equals ONE 1024. We print this with cout after a equals 4, value of a, endl. For beginners, think of left shift as sliding all bits left, filling the right with zeros, like moving 0100000064-inch binary to 01000000001024. The right shift, a equals 3, shifts bits 3 positions right, dividing a by 2 circumflex 3, 8. So 1020 fou r divided 8 equals 128. We output this with cout. After a equals 3, value of a, endl. Right shift moves bits right, filling the left with the sign bit for signed integers. But here it's just zeros since a is positive. Now, let's move to comparison operators, also called relational operators, in a new file. These compare two values and return true, 1, or false, 0. In the main function, we declare int a equals 10, b equals 20. The line cout a equals b, a equals b, endl checks if a equals b, outputting 0 false, since 10 isn't 20. Next, cout a equals b, a equals b, endl checks if a is not equal to b, giving 1 true. The line cout a, b, endl checks if a is less than b, outputting 1 since 10, 20. Then, cout a, b, endl checks if a is greater than b, giving 0 false. The line cout a equals b, a equals b, endl checks if a is less than or equal to b, outputting 1 since 10 equals 20. Finally, C out A equals B. A equals B. Endl. Checks if A is greater than or equal to B, giving 0. Let's explore logical operators, which evaluate logic between Boolean values in another file. They're used to combine conditions. In the main function, we declare bool x equals true, bool y equals false. The line cout x and y, x and y. Endl uses logical and, outputting 0 false, because both operands must be true for and to return true. Next, cout x vertical bar y, x vertical bar y. Endl uses logical or, giving 1 true, since at least one operand is true. The line cout x anded uses logical not to negate x, outputting 0 false, since true is false. Similarly, cout y endl negates y, giving 1 true, since false is true. Now, let's discuss unary operators, which act on a single operand in a new file. In the main function, we start with int a equals 5 and print it with cout initial value of a endl. The line cout pre-increment plus endl uses pre-increment, increasing a to 6 and outputting 6. Pre-increment modifies the value first, then returns it. Next, cout post-increment a++. A++ endl uses post-increment, outputting 6, the current value, and then increasing a to 7. We confirm this with cout value of a after post-increment, a endl, which outputs 7. Similarly, cout pre-decrement. Finally, cout post-decrement. Let's talk about operator precedence, which determines the order in which operators are evaluated in an expression. Here's the precedence list from highest to lowest. Let's see this in action with our final code example. In the main function, we declare int a equals 10, b equals 5, c equals 2. The line int result, 1 equals a plus b asterisk c, computes b asterisk c first, since asterisk has higher precedence, giving 5 times 2 equals 10, then adds a, so 10 plus 10 equals 20. Next, int result 2 equals a plus b asterisk c, uses parentheses to force a plus b first, giving 10 plus 5 equals 15, then 15 times 2 equals 30, output by cout, a plus b, asterisk c equals result 2, endl. Finally, int result 3 equals a plus b, c asterisk a. Computes c asterisk a first. 2 times 10 equals 20. Then a plus b, 10 plus 5 equals 15, and subtracts, so 15 minus 20 equals -5. That's it for today's tutorial on C++ operators. Stay tuned for more, and happy coding.